Dear Lord, we thank you this morning for your creation and for the opportunity to be out into it. It's a beautiful spot right here on Clingman's Dome up in the Smokies. We're out here camping. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's just a waterfall. This thing is beautiful. It had a real big rainstorm last night, but it's died back down from what it was. Up here's our campsite. We're at about a little over a mile high, enjoying it. Getting ready to have some coffee and breakfast. And family, we wish you was here with us to see this. It's beautiful.